right in the wind. Come on, let's go. Up here. Gordon. Gordon, let's go. Wind's not playing fair right now. Okay. I know. A bear just passed again. He just passed through here. Turn this off. Get up to the top and see if I... He's the best dog, I'm telling you, he's the best dog. He's a pain in the ass a lot of times, but he's the best dog. Is there a bear in here? Is there a bear in here? Is there a grizzly bear? Look at this view. I say grizzly bear, but it could be any bear. We just have so many grizzly bears. Ready? See, this is grizzly poop right here, so there's definitely been a grizzly in here. Definitely been a grizzly in here. Warden is still getting sent from that drainage down there. But not strong like it was down there where that bear crossed. So what I'm thinking, I'm going up. I'm going to go hit that saddle again and spray some of the caramel conviction. And then I might go sit over there on that rock for a while and see what happens. Because the wind's coming this way. Like, I'm right. If a bear's over there, he's going to smell me. But if a bear's down in the bottom, he's not going to smell me. I had to put my hoodie on. It's getting cold with that wind. Got that. So I'm going to go walk that saddle, spray some of the stuff, and get on the other side. Now the wind stopped, you know. Isn't that how it always goes? Like, when you don't want the wind, you got it. And when you do need the wind, you don't have it. So... more wood. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any fresh diggings this morning from that bear up here. I think he went lower. I'm wondering if it's not a young grizz that Mom just kicked because it's almost breeding time. And she's probably like, get away, get away. So, could be a boo-boo bear. A young boo-boo grizzly bear, yeah. The more I think about it, the more I think that's what it is. But I put my camera away. I can only like on my camera pack or my bino pack, I can only carry either my camera or my binos. And so I put the camera away and kept my binos because easier to... Anyway, I'm going to turn this off. I see something black down there. Probably a stump. He was definitely back in here last night, early this morning. Digging for ants and roots here. So the ants down there. Still using this area to feed. Now that wind stopped and it's like hot. So now I'm hot. Tracks from yesterday. Sorry. All the places that I hung those wicks with the Samhain heat lure are gone. The wicks are gone. Definitely a boar. I'm thinking it's a young grizz boar though. That's what my gut's saying. But my heart's wishing it was a black bear. So there's a grizzly track. See, I get all my hopes up. Just because there's grizzly bears everywhere. I love the grizzly bears more than the black bears. I'd take a grizzly bear any day over a black bear if I could. So, we shall see what happens. Oops. Is it Warden? Huh? Oh, hot. Hot. Okay, I start spraying just for fun, just to see if I can get a bear to come out. Okay, so here's the deal. I found more tracks, and there's two different bears. Definitely two different bears. One's definitely a grizz, a good-sized grizz. And the other one is small, and I'm still not sure what it is, if it's a black bear, but I can't see a black bear hanging out where there's a grizz been feeding. So I'm thinking it's a young bear that's hanging around a sow, or its mother, and it's ready to go its separate ways, because it's kind of like they're together, but then they're not together. Like I'm finding the tracks separately, and then I find them together. So that's what I'm thinking is it's a juvenile grizz with a big grizz, but that track still throws me off. Because the toes are rounded and separated, and I mean, it could be a young grizz. I saw a black freaking bear. The color of it was black, and I know, like, there's a lot of big old boars that are dark color, but this was not a big old boar grizz. This was a smaller bear, and I've never seen a young one that dark, like that dark. I mean, it was jet black. It's got to be a black bear. See? And that's why you don't shoot until you know. Just because one indication says it's a grizz or a black bear doesn't mean that it is a grizz or a black bear. They both come in different color variations. Like, it could be any color. Blonde, reddish, chocolate, black, brown. I mean, yeah. So don't judge by color, and don't judge by one thing. Like me, I'm playing it in my head, thinking, okay, I know in my head it's a grizz, but I'm not 100% sure. So always look your bear over before you shoot it, and make sure it doesn't have the hump, make sure it doesn't, look at the claws, look at the ears, look at everything. Don't just go by color or track size, because you never know. And like a black bear track is significantly, I can't say that word again. That word, yeah, I can't say it. But you know which word I'm talking about. It's different than a grizz track. But that one, like I said, the toes are spaced out like a black bear. And it's got a more of a curve to the toes and the back pad, the pad behind the toes. I can't remember what that's called. Anyway, so yeah, it's more similar to a black bear than it is to a grizz, but like I said, those young grizz, yeah, they can fool me, and this one's fooling me just because I want a black bear so bad. I think I did see the bear was black, it was jet black, but I put some caramel convection out down there on the saddle. I don't know why I did. I just did. So I'm probably not going to stay here very long because I know if that's a sow and a cub. I don't think they're together all the time. I think maybe I think that sow's kicking it. And it's kind of on, I don't know. It could be a black bear. I guess the answer will never be known until I see the bear. So anyway. Might come back up this evening. This wind is not, this is how it is here. This wind does not play safe, fair. I can't even talk. This wind does not play fair. It shifts constantly. So you can't ever get the advantage for very long. So anyway, but it's a gorgeous day. Yeah, look at this beautiful day. Yeah. Up here, way up here, climbed up. Mia Warden is snoring. But yeah. Notice how he gets behind me. He's got my back. Anyway. So, we're not going down the way we came. But it was right on that hill slope, right in there, sorry, that bear crossed. Big green meadows down there in the bottom. So, it's going to rain. So we're going to take this ridge down. We walked that ridge up, but we're going to take this ridge down and see how Warden reacts through here. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Warden, let's go. And hope I don't fall, because it's steep and slippery. And he's already smelling. Look at that. Here's a bear. Is a bear? Is a bear down there? See the green meadows down there? The bears are in his day bed. I wonder if I should go lower and walk those green meadows. Definitely a bear down there. Somewhere. In his day bed. I don't know if it's a black bear or a grizzly bear. Yeah, he's a good buddy. So now the wind's in our favor. Elk been in here. Come on, buddy. I'll put that caramel convection in the saddle. I don't think anything's going to go to it right now. Good boy. He knows Mama can't get through that way. I'm going to go this way. Bushwhacking. Bushwhacking. Hopefully we can get down to this. Might have to drop down to the bottom. Looks like a good place for a bear to be hiding. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn this up. Get down this without falling. So we decided to come down low, and I found a track that looks like a black bear track. I'm telling you, there is a black bear in here somewhere. Gordon was getting excited, but I know there's a grizzly bear in here too. And I just thought I was filming the black bear track, but I guess I didn't press record. Stupid me. Anyway, come on, Gordon. Gordon, let's go. Gordon, let's go. Watch him. There's a bear bedded down in here somewhere. We know he's in this drainage. Find that track again. This is the best dog ever. I mean, I love Ranger and Posse, but this dog is worth his weight in gold. Hard to be quiet in here. Where's that bear? Where's that bear? I don't know if it's a grizz that we're walking into or black bear. I swear there's a black bear track up there. Looks like a little lion scratch right there. Going up. Maybe. Was there a kitty in here? Some cat tracks up there on top. Come on, Wood. There's a little cat. Okay, I'm going to turn this off, and if I find anything, I'll turn it back on. I promise I will this time. Warden, 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 Warden. It's close, it's close. It's close, Warden. I know, it's a bear, it's a bear. It's a bear in here. In a safe bed. Of course, I'm clumsy. Okay, stumbling around here. Where's he at, buddy, huh? Where's he at? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, he smells them. Walk, walk, walk. Shit. Warden. Walk. Hold up. Warden, 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 Warden. I know, he's in here. Warden, come here, come here, come here. He's probably in that green matter right there. Warden, Warden, Warden. Warden, get back, get back, get back. Tell me if this isn't a damn good dog. You tell me if this isn't a damn good freaking dog. Get back, Warden, get back. Warden, get back. I want to see a freaking bear. Oh, look at this right here. Bear poop right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's fresh. Warden, 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 Warden. How fresh that is. He's in here somewhere. He's right in here somewhere. You just stay back unless I need you. Let's just listen. Warden, I don't know if it's a grizzly or that looked like grizzly. There was a big pile. He was right in here. Tell me if I don't have a damn good dog. He was right in here. He still might be in here somewhere. Let's stay quiet. Warden, 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 Warden. I want to find a track so I know what I'm dealing with here. I know. We gotta be quiet. This is driving him insane. There's in there somewhere. I didn't hear it leave, so it's still in here somewhere. Probably laying down somewhere. It's a big pile of shit. And it was fresh. As fresh as fresh can get. There it is. There it is. That's a black bear. That's a black bear. I'm gonna take it. Warden, get back. Warden, get back. Shh. Don't move. Warden. That's my bear. Right. Shut up. You're gonna ruin this. Fuck. Fuck, that's my bear right there. Damn it, Warden. Fuck. You guys, that's my bear. I wasn't, see, I okay, we gotta Gotta do this right. I'm gonna turn this off so I can have my rifle ready. Okay. Did you guys see the bear? Hopefully I showed the bear. Awesome. That's my fucking bear. Oh, there he is. He's right up there. If I throw this down, that means I'm gonna shoot. Where'd he go? Fucker, don't walk away. There he is. He's not a bad bear. Look at that fucker just sit there. Look at that. Can you guys see this? You just see him sitting there? What do you guys think? It's not a bad bear. Decent bear. He's not real old. He's not really young. Should I take him? Might be a sow. No. See, the wind's in my favor. He can't see me. I'm going to turn this off and get closer and try to get him. Fucker's playing cat and mouse with me. He's back in there somewhere. Anyway. I can get within 100 yards. I just can't get a good shot. Okay. It's taking Warden all the control he has not to freaking go nuts. Okay, there he is. He's walking down. I wonder if I can go this way instead of go down that timber. There he is. Talk about mountain Kurlak, huh? Yeah. I couldn't have done this if I had Ranger and Posse. I don't know if I should take him. He's not really that big. He's a good bear, but he's not huge. But then again, I might not come across another beauty like that. Look at the coat. It's a gorgeous coat. He does not want to leave this area. Where is he? Where'd he go? Pretty sure it's a boar too, because he's going to block your head. That's how it would happen. He doesn't want to leave. I wonder why he's hanging out with that Grizz. Weird love affair. Because there's definitely Grizz shit in here too. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off again. See if I can find him again. I might just sit tight and let him come to me. Maybe spray some of that caramel conviction. He's mad too, because he's like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Makes me think he's young, the way he's acting. He's not moving. He'll move just a little bit and then he stops and sits. But he doesn't give me a good shot. He gave me a good shot up there, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to take him. I still don't know if I want to take him. God, Warden's being good. That took all he had to freaking, when that thing took off, not to run after it. Okay, where is he? I gotta get through this freaking down timber so I can get up and see him without making noise. Is that him up there? No, that's just shadows. Okay. He looks like the same boar, that chocolate boar that I saw in the North Fork a couple years ago. That I turned down. Okay. Let's turn this off. Okay. I don't want to run him out of this drainage. I can't find him again. So, he wants to be in here for a reason. So I'm going to let him. But I'm going to go back to that green meadow down below. And I'm just going to pour the caramel conviction in the Samhain heat. And See if I can bring him into me. Because like I said, I don't want to run him out of this drainage. See, I was second guessing myself. I knew that was a freaking black bear trap the whole time. I seen that sucker yesterday. So, I'm going to leave him be. I don't know where he is. He's in here somewhere. I don't know where. I went down and around. I couldn't find him again. I can't hear him. Oh. I heard him. I think he's up in there somewhere, but I don't want to be chasing him out of this drainage. I want him in here. I'm still undecided. I'm so used to looking at grizzlies. It's hard for me to judge a black bear. I haven't lost it. I still have my touch though, right? Yeah. And I don't want to just like shoot at him and scare him or injure him and have to freaking track him down, and the thought of injuring a bear and not being able to recover it. I don't like that. I'm a very ethical hunter. I still don't know if he's big enough. Gosh, he's beautiful though. His coat is gorgeous. It's got to be a boar, the way his nose is. He's got a big, broad nose on the front. It's not like a pin nose like a sow. So, he's been hanging out in here for a while. I see bear shit everywhere. That fucker. Anything black, I'm like, he's up in here somewhere. I just don't want him to leave. I feel bad that Ranger and Posse are still in the dog box. But I couldn't have done this with them. This guy got a little excited, but he knows now. It's not his hunt, it's Mom's hunt. Okay, that bear's in here somewhere. Is he down there, Warden? Is he down there? Anyway, I'm going to go back to that green meadow and spray the shit out of it. And then I'm going to sit and wait. And listen. Mosquitoes are terrible. Okay, turning this off. I just shot my bear. I took out his I got to go get him again. I got him, dropped him, but he ran off on his front feet. His back end's gone. Anyway, I gotta go finish him off. I just got my... Okay, I had to go back and get my stuff. That's a freaking huge bear. For freaking Absaroka Mountains, competing with grizzlies, that's a freaking huge bear. I took out his freaking, I hit it in the spine. Took out his back end, and took another 2 shots just to finish him off because I didn't want him to suffer. That's a freaking huge bear. Warden, he did so good. Oh my gosh, for him to freaking sit there and be quiet, I had to keep toning him. That's a big freaking bear, people. For an Absaroka mountain bear, that's a big bear. It's a big bear! Yeah! Mama saw a big bear! Oh, here. Yeah, that's our bear! Look at that freaking head on that thing. Yeah, Warden. No, that's enough, Warden. Look at the head on this thing. Warden, that's enough. We gotta leave our bear alone. We did a good job, though. Yeah. Now comes the work. I'm gonna need help if I'm gonna get this sucker out whole. I can't lift it. Warden did good. Warden did really good. Yeah, it's our bear. Anyway, I can't believe I shot me a big bear. I did. Yeah, I did. Patience pays off, right? Patience freaking pays off. Freaking, it was hard getting that second shot in because freaking Warden wanted to go after him. I didn't want Warden getting in the way when I was taking a shot. So that's a big freaking bear. for a mountain black bear competing with grizzlies, and he's been hanging out with the grizz. Okay, turn this off.